Hi, I'm Santosh Jogi, director of A-Star Academy, and
Hi, this is Deshpande from Agastya Tutorials.
I must say we had a wonderful time here at Stargazing Mumbai. Somewhere around like say 3.5 hours from Mumbai, who would expect to see an opal beautiful sky with so many wonderful night sky celestial objects.
True, and the best part was, I think, the detailed explanation and the kind of stories, the Greek mythological stories and the Hindu mythological stories that are related, associated with stargazing. I think that just adds to the flavor of Stargazing Mumbai.
Yes, and what we saw through the naked eye was the stars, the clusters, a few of them, and just to add to it, the telescopes. We saw some galaxies nearby. Those puffy clouds out there, right? It was wonderful, and I think the morning was. It was not just about the night, but also about the morning when we just woke up to see the sunspots on the sun, and it was
Along with sunrise.
along with the sunrise.
In
Absolutely,
time
yes.
lapse. I think overall we had a great experience. The stay is also quite decent, and we'd like everyone to experience stargazing with Stargazing Mumbai.